This is how I make my snickerdoodles. I love this recipe because you actually don't need cream of tartar, and I never have it on hand, so it's perfect. We'll start by mixing together our flour and a little bit of baking soda and then just setting that aside. And then for our wet ingredients, we're going to combine some butter and a little bit of cream cheese, and that's what I'm using to replace the cream of tartar, along with some brown sugar and some white granulated sugar, and we'll cream those together. Then we'll add in eggs, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of lemon juice to add that tangy flavor. And once you have your wet ingredients all combined, you can add your dry ingredients in gradually, and you'll want to just fold it together until your cookie dough forms. Then use a small cookie scoop to portion out your dough balls and then dust them in a cinnamon sugar mixture. I like to add a little bit of extra cinnamon sugar once they're on the cookie sheet. And this is what they look like when they're baked. These snickerdoodles are so easy, and I love making these cookies for the holidays. They're soft on the inside with that nice cinnamon sugar crunch on the outside. I can't stop eating them. I love them so much. So if you love snickerdoodles but you never have cream of tartar on hand, try this recipe and let me know what you think. You can get it at ShanaeToday.com. Enjoy!